What things shouldn't I have on my credit to buy property? People don't like seeing any types of collections, right? I don't necessarily agree with the entire institution of credit. And I think if you are a real estate investor for any length of time, then your credit is going to be lower than the average person just because the number of inquiries and the utilization rates from some of this revolving stuff. But mainly the number of inquiries is always going to kind of weigh heavy because, an inquiry is done each time you even ask for some type of financial product to coincide with your real estate. So you're going to have a crazy number of inquiries after a while. And, creditors just want to make sure that you always pay your bills on time and that you don't have anything, actively in collections. So I would say that's the most important. And I would say for most banks, I mean, credit is really important because, derogatory marks are bad, and creditors that are lending money don't want to lend money to people that have a history of not paying what they're supposed to. It might kick you out of some loan programs immediately, but I don't know. I wouldn't put too much weight on that. I would rather put weight on your financial statement. If you keep your financial statement strong, then your credit at some point will follow suit. It might take 7 years for some things to fall off, but you're not going to find yourself making mistakes regularly that are derogatory marks on your credit if you have a really strong personal financial statement.
Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question. And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of PropStream.